Here I have Poco M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard settings, languages, add a keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available languages. So let's pick, for example, my favorite one, the Greek language, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in the Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.